Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, I am taking you inside Overbrook Estates, a Toll Brothers community located in Huntersville, North Carolina. Now, this community will feature 357 total single-family homes, offering upscale finishes and resort-style amenities that truly elevate everyday living. This community is conveniently located near Lake Norman, Birkdale Village, Davidson, Uptown Charlotte, and the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, making it ideal for both commuters and those who love staying connected. One of the highlights of the Overbrook Estates community is the world-class amenity center. Residents will enjoy a future modern clubhouse with gathering spaces, a multi-purpose room, and a kitchenette for entertaining. Outside, there will be a competition-style pool with lap lanes, poolside seating, covered dining areas, and a fire pit lounge, perfect for relaxing or hosting friends. The HOA is $125 per month, which covers access to the amenities, pool maintenance, common areas, and the street lights. Now, let's talk about the home we're touring today, the Atwater Transitional floor plan. This floor plan offers 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms with just under 3,600 square feet of living space. On the first floor, you will notice 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors, which really enhance the open and airy feel of the home. A major standout feature is the first floor guest suite, perfect for visitors or multi-generational living. What's even better is every bedroom in this home is an ensuite, meaning each bedroom includes its own private bathroom. The primary suite features a spa-like bath designed for comfort and relaxation. Upstairs, you'll also find a spacious bonus room, ideal for a media room, playroom, or home office. To finish it off, this home includes a covered back patio, giving you an additional outdoor living space that's perfect for entertaining or unwinding at the end of the day. The starting price for the Atwater Transitional floor plan is $789,995, and this floor plan is part of the ElmSpring Collection here at Overbrook Estates. So if you're interested in learning more about this community, or if you would like to schedule a private tour, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this floor plan. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.